Example, if 1 dozen of biscuit costs y naira, what is the cost of 12 dozens of biscuits? Now, before we solve this, let's check what variables do we have. Now, the variables we have here are cost of the biscuits and the number of biscuits we are buying or they are selling. So, solution. We already know we have two variables, the cost and the number of items bought. Now here we determine what variation it is. If you notice, for cost, the cost increases as the number of biscuits increases. That is, if you buy more, the higher the cost, and if you buy less, the lower the cost, which gives us a direct variation. So here, the cost of biscuits varies directly as the number of biscuits. Now we can solve. We are told that 1 dozen of biscuits costs y naira. So we have cost of 1 dozen of biscuits is equal to y naira. Now we are told to find the cost of 12 dozen of biscuits. So the cost of 12 dozens of biscuits would naturally be 12 multiplied by y. Now you can ask me why. Because here we have 1 dozen of biscuits costs y naira. That is, let's say you buy a pen costs 50 naira. How much will 2 pens cost? That means you do 50 multiplied by 2. So same thing here. If 1 dozen of biscuits is already costing y naira, that means 12 dozen of biscuits will cost 12 multiplied by the amount for 1 dozen. So here we'll be having 12y naira for the cost of 12 dozens of biscuits. Thank you.